Hey folks, let's learn something new about the oil and gas industry. All right. All right, we're still at Nate. We're sitting here with Melissa and Jamie of Totaland. How y'all doing?
Doing pretty good. How are you?
Very good.
Real good, Mark. Thanks for having us.
Yeah. And so this is like a tradition with us, right? Every Nate, we end up running across each other having a conversation. Melissa, one of the things that you and I were talking about earlier, which I found fascinating, is that even in this low crude price environment, Total Land, along with y'all, are actually doing stuff to try to help people in this low crude price market. Can we talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a new product that we are planning to release that is going to allow some of our landmen during this downturn to leverage some of the assets that they may just have sitting at home. It's going to be in an eBay style fashion, and it's going to allow them to use some of their documents, resell them over and over again, so they, try to help our landmen out while the downturn's going on.
And so, but the other thing I hear in there is you're actually digitalizing something that in a lot of places in the world is still done manually with paper.
Absolutely. We are going to upload all of their images so that they don't have to have it there. They can use it as a storage space as well. You don't have to sell them. You can use it as like a glorified Dropbox if you'd like to, and just put all of your images up. We'll figure out a way to get them scanned in, and they'll store them on Title Marketplace.
Yeah. And Jamie, you and I were talking earlier. It's in this market, it's there's a lot of people that unfortunately have been laid off or lost their jobs, but it's starting to look like that's starting to change.
Right, we're starting to see a bit of an upswing of things. I'm noticing I pay a lot of attention to social media. Particularly, I'm seeing companies that are starting to reach out and look for landmen to come back. I think we are starting to see more positive stuff. That's the best advice I give people. And just keep learning all you can, and it is coming back. So we are. Like I said, we've maintained a pretty good client base through the downturn, and we're starting to see more users come back to using our system again.
Our user base is growing pretty well. We've seen a gradual upsweep in our user base, and it's just constant. Every week you're seeing more and more come on, and that is definitely a positive thing for us. So.
Yeah, well, it's also a credit to your company. So these people could go anywhere, but they're coming back to Total Land. Why do you think that's happening?
Total Land has a great team. We all work together. We have some amazing ideas, and our customer service is phenomenal. If you have an issue, we'll help you out. Let's figure out how we can get through this. We want to get through it together, and we want to be there for you when you come out on the other side.
What's so amazing that actually brought you back to Total Land?
Well, I've always enjoyed using the product. I remember working the field sometimes and struggling with using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office programs, and spending all Monday morning just trying to put all this stuff together. When I was using Total Land, it's a simple matter of inputting all the data and a simple click of a button to generate ownership reports to turn it to our client. It makes it real simple, and like I said, I've loved the product since day one. It saved me so much time, especially with like generating leases. I remember when we go out to buy leases, you'd spend half a morning trying to run a bath form through a printer just to line everything up, fight with everything, get all your information straight before you go get the ink. Total Land is a simple matter of, again, inputting the data, click to generate the contract, and you can also generate other forms like your W-9s and anything else to help you go. It saves a lot of time, a lot of cost, and I can see once as we're bouncing back, that's going to be a major factor, saving time and saving money for our clients.
Not to mention, Total Land, it's not something that you're going to install on a computer, so you're not going to have to come to an office to utilize it. It's web-based, so you can log on anywhere. Your users can log on anywhere. You don't have to worry about formatting, calculations. You don't have to convert your fractions to decimals. We're going to do that for you. The system's going to do it. Some people have issues with that. Reporting, dynamic reporting, your boss is going to want the same report every Monday for the meeting. Just set it up as a favorite on your desktop, and it's going to do all of the work for you. So,
Really, really cool stuff.
Yeah, and we also offer training. We have training webinars every day, and we also award one AAPL CE continuing education credit for each video we offer. And we could also make different webinars. As if there's specific features you want us to showcase, we'd be more than happy to put that together. So,
and I think another thing that's a big strength of y'all's is you mentioned AAPL. Y'all have actually worked in the industry. Y'all are both landmen, aren't y'all?
I'm a 7-year landman, and
correct. I've been in the business several years. I'm also a registered landman. Looking to eventually go after the next title and move on, but really keep.
We're not just here programming or putting something together that we've never utilized or we've never seen a need for. We are Landmen building the system. We work for the company. We know what you need. When you call and you tell us that you need something, we're going to understand why it's there. And that's what makes it so valuable, is we're Landmen working for Landmen.
Yeah, and it's actually one of the things I really love about this company. They're like boots on the ground, get dirty, help their clients get stuff done. So if somebody wanted to learn more about Total Land and what y'all are doing, where should they go?
They should just go to www.totalland.com. I will point out that we have a free 45-day trial. It is completely free, no credit card required. You just come, you sign up, you do the trial. We're not going to harass you. You make the decision you want to make.
So, folks, we'll stick a link in the show notes. If you have any interest in this, go check out the free trial. I promise you, you'll be glad you did. So, Melissa and Jamie, thank you so much for your time today.
Absolutely. Thank you. It was great speaking with you.
Thank you so much, Mark. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll see each other next time, huh?
Absolutely. You know it.
Make this a regular show. So, folks, I hope this helped. We will see you next time.